Welcome to Bible Quiz Studio.
It's the ultimate Bible spelling challenge. 36 tricky names, places, and books from the Bible, and you have just 7 seconds to spot the correct spelling. We've got 3 exciting levels: easy, medium, and hard. Some will be simple, others will test even the sharpest Bible scholars. Grab a friend, keep score, and let's crown the Bible spelling champion. Let's go! Level 1, easy. The first book in the Bible. Genesis. The city where Jesus was born. Bethlehem. The city where Jesus grew up. Nazareth. The river where Jesus was baptized. Jordan. The giant killed by David. Goliath. The king known for great wisdom. Solomon. The city whose walls fell after 7 days. Jericho. The prophet who confronted King David. Nathan. The book after Proverbs. Ecclesiastes. The disciple who doubted Jesus' resurrection until he saw him. Thomas. The place where Moses received the 10 Commandments. Sinai. The prophet who didn't die but was taken to heaven. Elijah.
Doing great or finding it a bit tricky? Don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying the challenge and subscribe for more Bible quizzes and trivia. Ready for level 2? Let's go! The apostle who replaced Judas Iscariot. Matthias. The place where Jesus prayed before his arrest. Gethsemane. The island where John wrote Revelation. Patmos. The Old Testament book with only 3 chapters. Habakkuk. The New Testament book after Philippians. Colossians. The prophet who saw a vision of a valley of dry bones. Ezekiel. The apostle who was a tax collector. Matthew, the prophet who succeeded Elijah. Elisha, the prophet who had a vision of the Lord in the temple. Isaiah, the city where the disciples were first called Christians. Antioch, the city destroyed along with Sodom. Gomorrah, the Roman governor who sentenced Jesus to be crucified. Pilate,
Only the sharpest minds make it this far. You've reached the final round. Level 3, the hard level. Don't keep the fun to yourself. Invite a friend and see who gets the highest score. Ready? Let's go. The king who saw the writing on the wall. Belshazzar, the apostle who traveled with Paul on missionary journeys. Barnabas, the high priest who condemned Jesus to death. Caiaphas, the city where Jesus performed his first miracle. Cana of Galilee, the book that tells of Israel's return from Babylonian exile. Nehemiah, the location where Jonah tried to flee instead of going to Nineveh. Tarshish, the judge who defeated the Midianites with 300 men. Gideon, the book that mourns the fall of Jerusalem and follows the book of Jeremiah. Lamentations, the son of Jacob who was sold into slavery. Joseph, the man who led Israel after Moses. Joshua, the city Saul was traveling to when he met Jesus. Damascus, the city where Paul wrote the letter to the Romans. Corinth, you made it to the end. Great job. How did you do? Let us know your score in the comments. Subscribe for more fun Bible quizzes and share the joy with friends. See you in the next one.